Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Dual Messenger. Finally, click on the sorter next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. In order to continue, select Install in the pop-up and wait. So now when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your app, go into the same settings and tap on the same No Blue sweater. Confirm your choice by choosing Uninstall in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!